Hey guys, in today's video, we'll see how to make this array animation. Open Blender, press Shift A, add in a plain axis empty. Select your model, go to modifiers and add in an array modifier. Change the type from line to transform. Change the transform type to object. Next, select the picker and select your empty. Now if you rotate this, it rotates weirdly. Select your 3D model, press Ctrl A and add in all transforms. Now it rotates perfectly. Select your model, increase the number of counts and rotate it. Now if you want to edit how this looks, simply select your model, go into edit mode using tab and rotate it the way you like. Once you like it, go to the end frame, select the empty, press I, insert a rotation keyframe. Next, go to the first frame, change all the rotations to 0 and press I to insert another keyframe. Now when you press the spacebar, your animation should look like this. Now let's go one step ahead. Select your empty, go to the graph editor. Inside graph editor, choose the axis on which you have animated your empty. You can edit this curve to match your animation. If you keep your graph like mine, your animation starts fast and eases out slowly. That's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to follow along for more such Blender quick tutorials.